Oh, you're already out?
Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I gotta step right behind me.
No, this is perfect. This is perfect. I'll come around. What do we got?
Okay.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm holding it.
Okay. Where's the dolly? You up on this step?
It's on the middle.
My level? Oh, it's in the middle?
Yeah, it's in the middle. Could you just angle?
Just give me a dolly out here. Give me
a dolly?
Yeah, outside. Put it outside. There you go. Here, lean back to me. Yeah.
Okay, set it down.
Just rest. Just rest for a second. Just rest.
Okay.
Just rest. Okay.
Good? Hold on.
Yeah.
See.
It's just I was on the
We're leaning
side of it.
leaning on my own.
Okay, sorry.
That's all right. What do we got?
Okay. You set it down. You set it down.
Set it down? You say you're running down.
It's on. It's down.
Down?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Let's just let it sit here for a second.
Right. Let's big group here.
Yeah.
All right.
What could have?
We're cool. Hold on. We're good. Hold on. What we're going to do is, we're just going to have to bulldog lift it up.
Yeah,
and bring
that's
it to
what I'm
that
thinking.
level, right?
That's what I was just.
Yeah, we should. Okay.
So once we lift it, if you could just move the dollies out, so we can just clear
And we're just
And
gonna
get it there.
yeah, right here,
Yeah.
and then we'll
No
get it right back on the dolly.
Get it all the way down there flat.
Yeah.
Period.
Okay, you guys want to rest up here for a second, and then and then because this is going to be
That's just gonna be the hard part right here.
yeah. So once we lift it too, I'm going to grab two and give a little bit what I can do.
Right.
But then we'll try to set it here,
Yeah.
and then take another break.
All right. Good. Yeah, we'll get it down. All right. Yeah. 3 guys move. It's our new company. You gotta change your name to Marty. Yeah. All right. You want to shoot? You got the voice. I thought it was the mom. That was a 12-year-old. She got the voice. Right?
You feel the handle back there?
I got the handle.
I got my handle.
So when you guys say 3, I'm getting the dollies out.
Yeah, all right, go ahead. You lift it up so it's just on the step. Ready?
A little more. It's the step. Oh, I gotta
Bring it down.
It's still on the dolly here.
All right, see.
Do you want it still on the dolly?
No, I want to rest it on
Wait,
the
let's listen. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
on the walkway.
Okay. So I'm going to take, once you lift it, Marty, I'm going to take this dolly out.
Let's go. Lift it up, Marty. Lift it up. Going down. Rest. Let go.
Yeah, okay.
Let go. All right. Now we're
And then when we come out,
yeah.
all you have to do is lift it up for like,
That's right.
and then set it down here, and we'll carry it until the edge.
Bro. I'm here to help you.
And then once it gets to the edge, I'll come and help you. After that,
I'll get it. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can just set it here.
All right.
So you only got to lift it for 2 steps.
So you're gonna, now, and then you're going to be hanging off the edge.
And then he's going to hang off the edge.
Okay. Ready? No. Ready?
the wheel.
Oh, good. Set it down.
Right.
Set it down. Here comes some help. Only if your name's Marty.
Corey.
Named Marty.
You're flip floppy.
I'm here to lose it on purpose.
It's California.
It's on
Yeah, it's got casters. Yeah. Right.
All right.
Let's take it down to the next level.
You hang on that side. I'll hang on this
All
side.
right.
You want to try this, Corey?
Yeah, don't smash toes, bro.
We're going to set it
We're
down.
going to take it right down to the concrete. Got it there.
From right here, we could just build it, but he would just have to make sure somebody watches his steps so he doesn't
go over.
go over. We could-
I see it. I see my step. I see
Okay,
it.
let's go.
Yeah. Ready? Go ahead. All right, tilt it down. Tilt it down. Yeah, hit the walkway. Okay, good. I'm going to lift my hand up. Ready? Yeah. All right, set it down. Set it down. Right on. Thanks for your help.
Thanks, man.
Let's roll. At least to the street. Then we'll put this down. In.
Want this close?
Okay. Yeah.
Wrap this up.